Another limitation of this study was that it limited the interventions to face-to-face group education formats only, which likely excluded a significant portion of the population who prefers virtual or telehealth formats because they live busy lives. The virtual format provides a more flexible intervention and education method to meet the needs of and demands of the busy lifestyle. Some implications for practice as a result of this study include the highlighted elements of group setting, curriculum, program length, session duration, and provider type when developing group-based programs. Healthcare providers should consider these elements when developing programs so that they can ensure the effectiveness of the said programs. It is also important to consider adapting the program to the target population because shorter sessions, say an hour, over the course of 12 weeks may better fit the needs of a program that includes 2-hour sessions over the course of 6 weeks or 9 months. There are also implications for future research. While this study did provide the elements to consider when developing the group-based programs, there is further investigation needed to provide concrete evidence to make those recommendations for the group program development. It would be beneficial to conduct additional clinical trials of the group-based education compared to individual settings. And additionally, there is room to explore the effects of the group-based programs in education from a face-to-face format and also including the virtual formats to capture a larger, more representative population. Here are my references, and thank you very much for attending my capstone presentation defense. I appreciate your comments and questions.